Everyone. Welcome to my channel Playland Family. Recently, ISRO collaborated with which company for sustainable space exploration through additive manufacturing? Answer: Wipro 3D. Wipro 3D and ISRO have successfully 3D printed the PS-4 rocket engine for the PSLV's fourth stage, marking a significant advancement in space technology. Dr. V. Narayanan of ISRO praised this achievement. The PS-4 stage's advanced navigation and control systems enable precise orbital placements for various satellite missions. The collaboration utilized design for additive manufacturing, DFAM, and laser powder bed fusion, LPBF, technology, streamlining production and improving structural integrity. According to recent government data, India got highest FDI from which country in 2023 to 1924? Answer: Singapore. In 2023 to 1924, India received the highest foreign direct investment, FDI, from Singapore, amounting to $11.77 billion despite a 31.55% decline, according to government data. Overall, FDI into India contracted by about 3.5% due to global economic uncertainties. However, Singapore remained the top source of FDI for India during this period. Recently, which research institute has developed a way of generating non-infectious Nipah virus-like particles, VLPs, in the laboratory? Answer: Institute of Advanced Virology. Scientists at the Institute of Advanced Virology, Thiruvananthapuram, developed non-infectious Nipah virus-like particles, VLPs. VLPs resemble viruses but lack genetic material, making them non-infectious. They effectively create vaccines for diseases like HPV, hepatitis B, and malaria by triggering an immune response without causing symptoms. VLPs, size 20 to 200 nanometers, enter lymph nodes to activate the immune system, offering immunity against the actual virus. Dinesh Karthik, who recently announced his retirement, belongs to which sports? Answer: Cricket. Dinesh Karthik, the veteran wicket-keeper batter, announced his retirement from all forms of cricket after an emotional farewell from Royal Challengers Bengaluru in the IPL. His international career spanned 180 games across all formats, amassing 3463 runs with one test 117 half-centuries. As a wicket-keeper, he recorded 172 dismissals. Recently, Claudia Sheinbaum has been elected as the first woman president of which country? Answer: Mexico. Claudia Sheinbaum has been elected as Mexico's first woman president, marking a historic milestone in its 200-year history. With a decisive lead confirmed by the Election Commission, she received congratulations from her mentor, President Andrés Manuel López Obrador. The elections on 2 June 2024 also included over 20,000 political positions. Sheinbaum will be sworn in on 1 October 2024. Which medical institution has won the 2024 Nelson Mandela Award for Health Promotion by WHO? Answer: NIMHANS, Bengaluru. The National Institute of Mental Health and Neurosciences, NIMHANS, in Bengaluru received the 2024 Nelson Mandela Award for Health Promotion from WHO. This award, established in 2019, honors significant contributions to health promotion. Union Health Minister Dr. Mansukh Mandavia and Union Health Secretary Shri Apurva Chandra congratulated NIMHANS, highlighting it as a recognition of India's efforts in inclusive healthcare and pioneering mental health work. The Armed Forces Medical Services, AFMS, signed an MoU with which IIT to collaborate on research and training? Answer D. IIT Hyderabad. The Armed Forces Medical Services, AFMS, and IIT Hyderabad have signed an MoU to collaborate on research and training. This partnership aims to innovate medical devices and address health issues for soldiers in diverse terrains. The agreement was signed by Lt. Gen. Daljit Singh and Professor B.S. Murty, with IIT Hyderabad providing technical expertise through its biotechnology, biomedical engineering, and bioinformatics departments. Which organizations jointly launched BIMREN initiative for PhD students? Answer: Ministry of External Affairs and Bay of Bengal Program Intergovernmental Organization. The Indian government launched BIMREN, BIMSTEC India Marine Research Network, with Mia and Bobbiju to boost blue economy development. BIMREN supports PhD students from BIMSTEC countries to conduct research in India through split-side doctoral fellowships, offering up to 1 million Indian rupees and 6 to 12 months at Indian labs. It also promotes twinning research projects with grants up to 5 million Indian rupees for 24-month regional collaborations. Where was the 6th meeting of India-Japan Joint Working Group on Counter-Terrorism held? Answer: New Delhi. The 6th meeting of the India-Japan Joint Working Group on Counter-Terrorism took place in New Delhi on 29 May 2024. Key discussions involved regional terrorist threats, state-sponsored terrorism, and the misuse of technology by terrorists. Both nations emphasized enhancing cooperation through information exchange, capacity building, and multilateral cooperation. The next meeting will be in Tokyo at a mutually convenient date. Which country has launched its first space agency and plans to make a Mars landing by 2045? Answer: South Korea. South Korea plans a Mars landing by 2045, investing $100 trillion $72.6 billion in space exploration. President Yoon Suk Yeol announced this at the launch of the Korea Aerospace Administration, KASA, which aims to boost South Korea into the top 5 space powers. KASA will support the aerospace industry, with the first lunar lander planned for 2032. South Korea also plans at least 3 more space launches by 2027. Thank you for watching video.